Okay, so in this video we're going to be talking about how to construct a line graph. So we're going to start off with a basic one first, and then we're going to do a dual one, which means that we're going to be showing two bits of data on a graph. So for this one, EG1, the table here shows the number of car sales that they make during the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to Friday. Now the numbers that were given were only up to 7, so when I drew my table I decided just to go up to 7, and I thought I could just go up into ones. So just make sure that you use good judgment. Obviously if the numbers were much higher, then I'd have to change the scale. So these are quite easy to do and they're quite nice to do. So the first one, we're going to draw a cross. So for Monday they sold 5, so on Monday we'll go up to 5 and just draw a little cross. Same for Tuesday. Tuesday was 3, so we go up to 3 and then put a little cross. Wednesday was 7, Thursday was only 1, and Friday was 4. Okay, and then when you do that, you connect them with straight lines. Okay, but you do need to go them in order, so Monday to Tuesday, Tuesday to Wednesday, and so on. Okay, so that's the first basic line graph. Okay, the next one's a little bit harder just because we're showing two bits of data on it. Okay, so below are the monthly average temperatures in the UK and the Bahamas, and using this data in the table we need to construct a line graph. Okay, so for this one we've got the months, and that's what goes along the bottom. A bit like before, the wordy bit was always on the bottom or the x-axis. Just make sure you read it properly, that's all. Then the next bit, if we look at the numbers that are the temperatures, so the highest one for the UK was 19 and the highest for the Bahamas was 28, so I had to go up to at least 28. So because 28 is quite large, I went up in 2s, okay, which is probably the easiest. You could have gone up in 5s, but I decided not to, just to be a little bit more accurate. Okay, now because we've got two sets of data, we need two separate colours. So I've done for the Bahamas green and for the UK red. So yeah, you can use whichever colours you want. I'm going to start with the UK first. So similar to what we've just done. So January is 5. February is 7. March is 9. This is nice, going up in 2s. April is 11. May 14, which ruins the pattern. June 16. July 19. I need to use my box. Yeah, and then 19 again, and then 17, and October 13. Okay, so there are all the points drawn, and then again we connect them with straight lines. Okay, it does have to be straight lines, that's really important. Okay, so that's for the UK. Now we're going to start with the Bahamas. So again, exactly the same thing. January was 21. I'm going to do dots this time. February 21. March 22. April 23. May 26. June 27, July 28, August 28 as well, September 28 as well, nice, and then October 26, yeah, there. Okay, and again we just connect them with straight lines. There we go. Okay, so normally you do crosses, but just so I could see them a bit better, I did dots because this pen isn't very good. So yeah, that's all you need to do for your line graphs.